Hello, can you introduce yourself?
My name is Rochelle San Juan Caballero, 38 years old. I'm looking for the new employer. I have experience in Malaysia for 4 years. I taking care the girl and 9 years old and 17 years old, then 1 dog. And now I'm working in Hong Kong for 7 years in Taipo, and 1 employer only. They are both adult, and I taking care the dog, the small dog. Then I taking care the house cleaning, laundrying, ironing, and gardening, car washing, also cooking.
Okay, what kind of traditional you can cook?
Chinese food and Western food.
What kind of Chinese food you can cook?
I can cook the lingao soup, old cucumber, and the green carrot also, tomato soup. And I can steam fish and steam chicken, steam egg also. And I can look show you the veggie or some of broccoli and kailan.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.